Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, back with some more coverage on the Alienware Aurora R3, and this time I want to show you some of the customizable options with regards to the control panel that Alienware provide, and also the various lighting options that you get as well. Now before I show you the lighting options, I want to show you on screen the control panel, and the first option we've got is thermal controls, and here we've got the various temperatures of the sensors and also the speeds of the fans, and we can control these and create new profiles. We've also got Alien Fusion, which allows you to set up different power plans, so we can set perhaps a high performance profile, and we can easily switch between these once they're set up. The main purpose of this video is to show you the various lighting options, and just to show you here we've got various areas. We've got lights on both sides of the PC chassis, also at the bottom and also at the top, and we can change the colouring on these simply by clicking on the various portions of the screen. Now I just want to show you a little section of the chassis. This is the left hand side of the chassis whilst the screen is still in view, and I want to show you, if you click on number 3 here, so this is affecting the light on the left hand side, and then we can go over to the colour wheel and we can select any colour we want, and it changes the LEDs on this side panel. So we can select a solid colour like I'm doing here, or we can select a morph colour, and that allows us to select a second colour. So I've selected purple and green, and it gradually changes the LEDs through to that second colour. Or I can select to pulse the colours, and this flashes the main colour on and off. So now I want to give you a look at all the various options and give you a wider view of the Alienware Aurora R3. I'm going to be changing the LED lighting to different colours just to give you an idea of how this affects the look of the system. I do also want to point out there are two different revisions of the R3. There are one with a solid alien sort of button here, which is the one I've got, and there's also one with little LEDs behind the eyes. Now the one with LEDs behind the eyes, you can actually customise the colours. With this one, the lighting just lights up the optical drive bay in a solid colour, so you can't change that. I can't show you both sides of the chassis at the same time, but you can change these side chassis lights, these ones here, independently. So I could have a different colour on this side to the colour on the other side. So I could have blue on this side and red on the other. And then I can of course change this colour under here. So let's get to changing some colours. Let's stop this flashing. Let's change it to a solid colour, and I'm going to change from, let's say we change this one to green. Looks very nice. And now I'm clicking on the screen to select this LED underneath here, which is currently orange, and I'm going to change that to blue, and you can see there that it's changed to blue just underneath here. And we can change these. Let's change this one underneath to morph, so we select a second colour, and let's select yellow. So now this one underneath is changing from yellow through to blue, and I'm going to do the same on this side panel here. Let's select this side panel again, and on the side panel I'm going to select a nice magenta pink colour, and the colours are really accurate. What you're seeing on the screen really does translate nicely into the colours that you see actually on the system. Now my room at the moment, my studio, isn't particularly dark. This looks absolutely fantastic in the dark. Really impressed with all of the options you've got for colours. Of course the Geekanoids colours are orange, so I'm going to stick with the orange and black for the time being. Let's change that to a solid orange down the bottom. This is probably what I'm going to stick with. It looks really nice and it's just a stunning looking system. I'm really pleased with the options that you've got for lighting on the new Alienware Aurora R3. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing some more videos on this, including installing an ATI 7970 graphics card with some benchmark results and a memory upgrade, and you'll be seeing plenty more of this in future Geekanoids videos. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you all in the next one.